Special Envoy for Syria, Geir Pedersen, is on his way to Jordan today for high-level discussions. Over the weekend, he plans to meet with Arab foreign ministers, as well as the foreign minister of Turkey, the U.S. Secretary of State, and other senior officials who will be present at a meeting in Aqaba. Mr. Pedersen has held numerous phone consultations in recent days on the situation in Syria. He's spoken with the foreign minister of Saudi Arabia, Iraq, Jordan, and the Netherlands, as well as senior officials from a range of other countries. His office has maintained regular contact with key actors on the ground. Additionally, the office continues to daily engagement with a broad spectrum of Syrian civil society representatives, both within and outside of the country. Meanwhile, the Office for the Coordination of Humanitarian Affairs says the UN and our partners are continuing to support the response in Syria as the security situation permits. Healthcare across the country continues to be disrupted against the backdrop of a fluid security situation. Some facilities have had to close due to looting or lack of medical staff and medicine. In northeast Syria, our health partners have activated more than 20 mobile health medical units for critical cases to provide primary care consultations. And in the northwest, 30 medical teams have been deployed to provide basic health care, vaccinations, and maternal care. We also continue to support displaced people and deliver aid, including food, tents, winter clothes, hygiene kits, and cash. However, our humanitarian colleagues tell us that more support is needed to reach more people and support host communities. For its part, UNHCR says although figures are not yet available, thousands of Syrian refugees have started to return to Syria from Lebanon through the official Masna border point, as well as other border crossings. At the same time, some Syrians have fled into Lebanon. UNHCR also says that in the past 72 hours, they've been able to resume through their local partners some of their activities in areas which are now more secure. For example, UNHCR supports 114 community centers all over Syria, which provide a whole range of services to Syrians and to the internally displaced, but also to those who are returning. And just a quick update from UNDOF, the Disengagement Observer Force in the Golan. Their personnel remain in their position in areas of separation in the Golan, and they continue to carry out their mandated activities. Since December 7th, UNDOF has observed a significant increase in Israel Defense Forces movements within the area of separation and along the ceasefire line, where they've been constructing counter-mobility obstacles since July 2024. UNDOF confirms that as of 13 December, the IDF remains in the area of separation in multiple locations. UNDOF has informed its Israeli counterparts that the actions constitute a violation of the 1974 disengagement agreement. UNDOF urges all parties to respect their obligations under that agreement. They urges them to cease all military activities in the area of separation and uphold the terms of the agreement to preserve the stability in the Golan.